Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel so that once we post one or two updates for you, you will definitely not going to miss out on that update. Now, let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBPUSD. So, this is our minor trend, which is a downtrend move, right? Market is trending to the downside. Now, take a look at this right here that GBPUSD is giving us. This is our low, which is our lower low. Then here is the lower high. Market was able to drop one more time to form a new lower low. Then here comes the lower high. Market then was able to give us a new lower low. Then this is the lower high right here, right? So now we will be expecting another rejection from this zone, thereby market to give us one more sell. So guys, a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting next on our GBP USD. So expect GBP USD to reject from this level, thereby dropping. So whatever you would want to do on your GBP USD, going for the sell. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So click on the subscribe button, like, share, and make your comments.